I don't know where to start. It's so surreal. I'm still digesting the fact that I have just biked from London to Paris, 3 days, 190 miles. Woohoo! That's my medal. It feels so worth it. And oh my god, that's Eiffel Tower at the backdrop there. Oh my god, I'm shaking. I can't believe I did it. Oh my god, what a challenge it was, but totally worth it. Absolutely worth it. The last one to finish, I have to admit. But oh my god. So the last video I told you, we started from Pontoise. The last 20 miles from Pontoise to here in Paris. What a ride through the city, through all the traffic, through cobbled streets. Oh my god, this is just clocking the camera there. Absolutely stunning. Just amazing. A quick recap. Started on Friday from London Trafalgar Square, 10 a.m. 65 miles all the way to Brighton, through Brighton to Newhaven. Overnight ferry from Newhaven to Dieppe. 75 miles throughout the day from Dieppe to Beauvais. And then this morning, 50 miles from Beauvais to Paris. Finishing here in Eiffel Tower. Woohoo! I feel so accomplished, so nice. I can't really describe it. What an experience! What an experience! Riding from London to Paris on your... Oh, that's my lovely bike though. I don't know if you can see it. Wearing mismatched trousers. Didn't have time to change. Absolutely amazing. So that's the team there, right? That there, just there by the having some snacks, and this is it. Woohoo! Oh! I almost want to swear, but Ria's gonna watch it at some point, so I can't. Highly recommended, everybody, at least once in your life, you have to do it. There you go. So checking out, guys, 3-day challenge, bike challenge, London to Paris, 195 miles. Beautiful ride through country villages. Countryside, beautiful villages, wonderful people, amazing team, and then through all the city, the traffic, a bit dangerous, but made it. No bike punctures at all, can you believe it? Not a single bike puncture. Absolutely, and may I thank you, Paul, a big thank you, our team.
Pleasure, absolute pleasure.
Thank you so much. Checking out and see you soon. Ta-da!